I'm going to show you how to fix the switch on your door. Now, before you rule it to be the switch, make sure you check and see if it's not the power window motor or anything else, or maybe a fuse. Before doing this, I think it's the switch, so I have a replacement here, and I'm going to show you how to replace this. Now, if I put the key in, put it onto the on position, see here, window's not going up or down, so that means this is not working. Kind of just pry it out slowly so you don't break anything. This could easily break. Just follow it down. There you go, it came out. So even if I took that trim piece out, but kind of just pried it out using the trim tool, and then there we have it. So what you want to do, there's a little tab on it, push down the tab, pull this back, and the whole piece comes off. All right, let's set that here, and this is the new one. This is the new one now. So what I'm gonna do is I have some dielectric grease. This should help out. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of it and then connect it right back. Snap that right back in. At this point, I should probably just put the key in and see if this thing will work. Alright, so I have it on the on position. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. The window is now working. Alright, so all you have to do, guys, is if it's not the motor, the window regulator or whatever, then it has to be the switch. And then so now we're just gonna put this right back in, and it just snaps right back on, and that's it. All set, guys. So that's how you replace your switch. And just kind of tap it in there, and it should come right back. Pretty easy. And it comes up and down. Pretty easy. And that's all. Alrighty. Got some new videos coming out. Check them out. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you back.